Hey guys, welcome technical video here. Today in this video I'll be talking about new upcoming feature or update about WhatsApp application. And this update or feature is available on all the platform, that is your web, desktop, Android as well as your iOS. So let's see what is the update. So friends, the new update is about your disappearing messages. This is a new feature. So in this you can send any message to individual or in a group or in a WhatsApp group, and the message will be disappearing automatically after 7 days or a given time. But by default this will be turned off. Okay, and if you want to use this service for individuals, just go to WhatsApp, open individual chat. Okay, go to their profile and enable services, okay, in the chat. But for WhatsApp groups it will be different. Only the group admin can enable or disable this feature on their groups. For example, if you are sending a disabled message on a WhatsApp group, it will not disappear unless and until it is turned on by the group admin on the group settings. Okay, so be careful about that. So now we know what is the update or feature in WhatsApp, right? So now let's talk about actual facts about this new update. So first of all, if you are sending a message to a particular person which is a disabled messages, and that person or the receiver doesn't open WhatsApp for next 7 days, okay, the message will disappear automatically in the chat, but the preview will remain in the notification section. So the message will delete from the chat, but the preview will remain here. So from here the person can read the message after 7 days also. The second fact is that, okay, in a WhatsApp chat, okay, say this is the disabled message, okay, and if you are replying to this, so if you reply, okay, like if you reply, okay, and the message will get deleted, but the preview will remain here. For example, say if it deleted, right, if it deleted, but the preview will remain here like this, the preview will remain. So even the OK is gone from here, but the preview will remain here in the replied messages. This is the second fact, which is the not good or safe one. Even the message deleted from chat, the preview will remain here in the replied section. The third fact you should know about this feature is that if you receive message, and the person has enabled this feature on this chat, okay, but what you can do is you can just simply forward this message to someone else or in a personal chat, okay, and you can easily take a copy or a backup of the message. So after 7 days it will disappear from my chat, but it will remain on my other chat or other forwarded messages. This is a fact about this feature. So from your own chat it will get disappear, but once you forward this to someone else or in a personal chat, it will remain there. Now you will ask that what if I take a backup of the chat? So now this message is disappeared, unable, okay. So now after 2 days if I take a backup and if I restore this after 5 days, it will disappear automatically. So from now it will take 2 days, okay, in my chat. So okay, so once I take a backup and I restore the backup, so after restoring after 5 days it will disappear automatically. So 2 plus 5, 7 days or a given time period, it will disappear automatically from my device. The next fact is about your media files. So whenever sending any media files like your photos, videos or audio, okay, and if you are enabled this feature on these photos or videos, okay, but the problem is that once the person receiving opens the file, like he opens media file or a photo or video, okay, the photo will be saved to his gallery or phone camera roll, okay, so it is downloaded on his phone. So even the media file is disappearing after 7 days, okay, the original file is saved on his phone, right? This is a problem with this feature for a media files. So unless and until the auto download is disabled on his phone, okay, the media file is safe for disappearing. If the downloading is on his phone, okay, the whatever media file is sending him, it will save to his camera roll automatically, right? So according to me, this is a good feature but not completely safe, because the message can be stored like in a different forms. For example, if you are sending any message to any person, okay, and you think that it will get disappear after 7 days, but it is very bad thinking or a wrong thinking, because that person can take a screenshot, okay, of that, okay, and easily save the chat on his phone. Second thing, he can easily forward the messages to his personal chat or someone else and save it on their phone. Or third thing is, he can easily click a photo of the chat and save it for future references. So the message might get disappeared, but the physical photos or any like your screenshot or any message forwarded can be saved on a phone, and it can be used against you in future. So this feature is good, but make a good use of it in your application and mobiles. So be careful about this feature. So whenever this feature comes out, okay, make a good use of it, think and use it. Okay, and lastly, if you think this is a good video and if you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.